Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into ASUS ROG Phone 6. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next up, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose settings. Now go into voice option and here go into voice match. Now we got Hey Google option, so we need to activate by tapping on the switcher. And now need to give access to your assistant, tap next, and I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use, tap continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.